Came through drippin', drip, drip. 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 Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Okay, y'all, I'm about to be so real with you. I shot this video like 3 days ago, and I did it in the yellow version. At first, I really liked it. I got some cool feedback from people on Instagram, and I posted the picture. And then when it came to me editing it, I didn't like it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to I'm going to recreate this look again in a different color, knowing what I know now, hoping it'll come out the way that I want it to. So, if you want to see the look that you see in the title, which is dripping ice cream, stay tuned. Hey guys, let's get started. So I'm just starting with a foundation. I believe this is my Maybelline because as y'all can see, it's the wrong color and it's Halloween, so your foundation doesn't necessarily have to be perfect. Just using my Maybelline, blending it all the way in just so I can have a solid foundation when I start this look. Now I'm going to sketch out the drips of the ice cream with a NYX white pencil. I believe this is a lip liner. I don't even think it's an eyeliner, but I'm just winging this. You don't have to do it a certain way, and you can mess up in the inside of it because you're going to fill it with paint, so it doesn't really matter if you mess up or not because it's going to all be covered eventually. So as you can see right here, I decided to add another drip. Now I'm using Snazaroo's paint. I actually really love this paint. It's actually really amazing, and I'm just going to trace over the white lines that I drew. And again, this doesn't necessarily have to be perfect because you'll be filling it in. I'm going to take a foundation brush, which is from e.l.f. I usually use this when I do my face masks, and I'm just going to literally fill in the paint. Just go ahead and fill her in, girl. I covered my eyebrow when I did this. I don't recommend you doing this because it took me forever to get that dang paint out of my eyebrows. So I don't recommend you do that, but you can if you want to, if you don't mind taking the time to get it out. I'm just filling in the big parts. Now I'm taking the little brush that I outlined it with, which is a eyeliner brush, and I am just filling in the spots where the big foundation brush couldn't get. Now I'm going to take my P. Louise base and I'm going to put it on my eyelids so that the color I'm using on my eyes can really just stand out and pop. Put it on both eyes because of course you're going to put eyeshadow on both eyes. Now I'm getting ready to take the pink out of the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm just going to pack her all over the whole eye. I did this dark of a pink to add dimension to my look, and you'll see why in a second. But I just felt like this will really make the ice cream pop and add some dimension to it. Now just taking another brush. I do have some product on this brush, but I'm just taking the pink a little higher, and now I'm just blending her out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Again, this is Halloween. Nothing's perfect, but you want her blended out. Now I'm taking that same brush that I used earlier, and I'm taking the same pink to just add dimension and shadow to the look. To make this look a little 3D, I'm going to add some brown shadows around the little bumps of the look to just, again, cast a shadow so it can look 3D, a little more realistic. I do go back in. I don't believe I show it, but I do go back in and blend out the brown. You can use a dark brown. You can use a black also to cast a shadow. I just chose brown because it blended better. Now I'm taking some white NYX gel liner and I'm just drawing some angled lines. I'm going to build the cone of the ice cream. And so I'm just drawing these at an angle. Nothing major. Draw as many lines as you want to. They don't have to be even, I don't believe. They weren't even for me. Now I'm taking like a burnt orange / brown shadow and I'm just drawing lines the opposite way to build the cone. What I'm doing here, I took the darkest brown that I have and I'm just drawing it to make a shadow again so that you can see the different dimensions of the cone. You don't have to do it in every square. I didn't do it in every square, but I did do it in a lot of squares. Just freehand it. That's what I did. Now I decided I'm going to be extra girly. Let me add some glitter on my eyes. So I covered all that pink with some bright pink glitter. You know, every girl likes glitter. And again, this is Halloween, so we can be as extra as we please. And I'm always down for extra. So go ahead and add glitter if you want. I wanted to add glitter. And what's our favorite line, guys? A look is not complete without a wing liner. You know a Neah look is never complete without a wing liner. So your girl has to add a wing liner. Wing liner just does something to the look for me, okay? Now I'm taking the same pink that I put on my lid. I'm brushing it on my bottom lash line. Add a little dimension to the eyes. Make the eyes pop some. Now I'm going to go conceal my under eye on my glam side of my face. I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind. Just blend her out, baby. Blend, baby. Blend, baby. Blend, baby. Now we're going to set her because we don't want her to crease. Even though it's a Halloween look, you need your glam side to be glam. Now I'm just contouring that side of my face. Just use your regular contouring color. That's why I sped this up so fast. I'm taking my Maybelline. I hate the way that black sprinkle look on my eye. I didn't record the sprinkle, guys, because that part was so just tedious and stressful. Now I'm putting on my lashes. That black sprinkle is bothering me. I eventually take it off, but it's bothering me right now. I didn't speed this lash part up because a lot of people always ask me how I put my lashes on, so I just felt like maybe this will help guide you. I use my nails a lot, so if you have nails, just go ahead and use it. I mean, you can use tweezers. Tweezers just are dangerous in my opinion. Just use your nails, your fingers. It should be able to work perfectly. Now I'm taking some white eyeliner to open my eyes up some, and I mean, it's an ice cream candy look, so why not just add white? Who cares? Now I'm just going in with this super bright pink sheer lipstick. I ended up adding a nude to it just because it was like too much for me. And then I eventually cover it with sprinkles. So just take some sprinkles on I took some glitter glue and some sprinkles to put them on my lips. Now I'm taking these little mini cones that my mom had in her baking closet, and I'm just going to basically add some horns. I stuck them on with glitter glue. And this is the look, guys. I'm just going to do final touches and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is my final look. This is actually exactly how I wanted it to be. I'm so glad that I redid it and I didn't just post the yellow one just to post a video. I wish I would have got my cone a little more perfect, but it's Halloween. Nothing's perfect. Who cares? Oh my god, I really love this. These sprinkles are irritating. Okay? Tedious. Irritating. Annoying. But anyways, if you guys like this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share it with your girls. You know I don't mind with you sharing the video, share the love, share the beauty, okay? And if you recreate this, make sure you tag me. And thanks so much for supporting me, and happy Halloween, guys.
Drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip.